Hi, class. I hope you're good. I want to show you how I can take attendance each day. In your email, there is a link and it says, "How are you? How are you?" Click on the link. You will see a page like this. You need to put your name there. Here's my name, Erica. And then it says, "Did you watch the video today?" You click yes or no. Did you listen to the conversation today? Maybe it will say, "Did you do the worksheet today?" You can click yes. Then how can I help you? You could say something like, "Please call me," or "I'm okay." And I will see your answer. When you are finished, up here it says send. You send to me. And that's how I can give you attendance. Okay? This helps me know how many students are doing the work and if it's too hard or too easy. So please do the "How are you" form every day. Thank you.